In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Squarespace. We'll walk through finding the right Squarespace resources using Google, then zero in on the Help Center article you need for DNS. Follow along on your own screen and pause anytime you want to catch up. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Squarespace and hit Enter. On the results page, look for the official Squarespace listing. It typically reads Squarespace Website Builder. Start your free website trial. And the link should point to the main squarespace.com domain. Click that result to go straight to the official site. If you see sponsored or lookalike links, make sure you're choosing the trusted domain to avoid confusion later. Once you're on Squarespace's site, move to the top navigation and find the Resources option. On desktop, it appears in the main menu, and on mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon first. Click Resources to open Squarespace's Learning and Support area. This is a great place to bookmark, since it gathers guides, tutorials, and troubleshooting articles in one hub. From Resources, select Help Center. That opens the dedicated support knowledge base, where you can search by topic. In the search bar, type DNS. DNS, or Domain Name System, is what translates a human-friendly domain, like your brand's web address, into the server location where your site lives. If you're connecting a custom domain, pointing records to a new host, or setting up email, DNS is the backbone of that process. After you search, look for the article titled DNS Records for Web Hosting and click it. This guide explains the common record types you'll encounter: A, CNAME, MX, and sometimes TXT, and how they relate to hosting and email. You'll see how A records point a domain to an IP address, how CNAMEs route subdomains, and why MX records control mail delivery. The article also covers where to enter these values at your domain provider and what to expect from propagation, which can take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully update worldwide. As you review the article, note any examples that match your setup, and keep a separate tab open to your domain registrar so you can reference or adjust records later. Before making changes, take screenshots of your current DNS settings, and avoid deleting records unless the instructions specifically say to replace them. Small typos in host names or values can cause downtime, so copy carefully. That's it. You used Google to reach Squarespace, navigated to Resources, opened the Help Center, searched for DNS, and landed on the exact article that explains the records you'll need for web hosting.